Alright, people, so it's still snowing now. Barely see it, but this is how it's looking as of now. My car was completely plowed in today. The snowbanks, like someone was out walking their dog. Jeez. Here, look at this. Kind of compare the steps, how tall the snowbanks are. I'm walking back to the house from my car because snow emergency. The city called for we can't park on a certain side of the street for the night. And plus, we want the plows to come through, and when they come through, we don't want them going around the car. Otherwise, they'll leave patches like this. Here, I'll show you. Like that. It's kind of hard to go over with the car. And there's the snowbank. And then that's like what they leave. You can't really tell. But it's a giant snowbank. John had to shovel a car out today before we went to work. Dude, look at this. Okay, that's the curb, right? Look at how high that is. That's like to the top of our steps. That's above the top of our steps. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stairs there. And that snowbank is over that. Like, that's how much snow. Ay, it's cold. It's starting to get windy. Looks like bunny tracks. Hey, little bunny rabbits. Don't mind me, I'm a little quirky. But yeah, this is now. I'll probably post a few pictures. Look, all the bushes are like caved in because of the snow. Can't really see it. This bush is like totally coming over. Like what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be up by the roof up there, but it's like all the snow is weighing it down too much. But yeah, there's the continuation of the second snowstorm today. I mean, this week or whatever. Yeah, bye guys.